Hey, it's Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video in which I try to capture some of my trades live as they unfold. It is July 3rd, so tomorrow is Independence Day, July 4th, and it is a half day, so I'm going to be extra careful with my trading. I don't expect there to be too much action out there today, but nonetheless, I'll see what happens and see if I can catch anything. But I'm certainly not going to force anything. I've had a good week up to this point, so I'm definitely going to err on the side of caution. Okay, picked up some shares at 51. This was a level of support here. Oh, and I'm out that fast. So there's a very fast $30. Let's see if I can catch some more. Very frustrating right now. I was able to short these yesterday if you saw my video, but today, currently not able to short GoPro. So I definitely be starting to build a position here. But I can't, so oh well. I'll maybe try to go long or find something that I can short. Going for entry here at 44.40. And I'm in. Let's try to sell those at 44.50. Reason I hopped in at 40 was because that's where the 25% Fibonacci level is right there. If I need to average down some more, I will. Actually down at 44. Try to pick up some more shares if I can. That's the 38.2. Oh, and I just noticed I sold 9 of my 300 up there. So let's see, I have 591 and an average of 44.20. So let's see if I can get 100 out at 35. There we go, got those out at 35. Let's see, another at 35, some more at 35, some at 39, and then have 91 more left. So sell those, and I got those at 45. So what was that, about $120 on that trade, just simply by using the Fibonacci's here. First entry was at the 25% retracement. Second one was down here at 38.2. And this goes to show, if you've watched my other videos, why I like 38.2 better, as that really actually was the prime spot right there. But regardless, 120 bucks. Let's see if I can catch some more. And one of those things where if you don't believe in Fibonacci's, here is I certainly do, and I put my money where my mouth is, and it turned out to be a $120 trade in a very short amount of time. Going for some shares down here at 60, which is the 50% retracement level. If it could hit it on this candle, that would be wonderful. Looks like I actually might have a chance here. Let's see what happens. And I'm in, looking to sell at 75. Pretty excited about that entry point. And I'm out. So quick $15 on those 300 shares. Again, Fibonacci's worked out like a champ. Let's see if I can catch some more trades. Well, I missed that entry, but I got in at 43.20. We'll look to sell out, see if it can get back up here above 40. So just going to take my 16-cent gain there. Why did I get in at 43.20? Happened fast, but look right there, 61.8. Technically 43.24 was it, but still well within that range. And now you can see the bounce here. Shoot, should have waited until it did get back up above 40. That's what I get for not listening to myself. Oh well, it's hindsight, and it is what it is. But at 2:45 now, only 8 minutes into the day, and everything thanks to Fibonacci. So yeah, let's see if I can catch some more. Okay, have an order in to pick up some shares at 66.65 on PETM. And these are, again, this is the Fibonacci level. We'll see if it gets down there or not. I'm not sure if it will, but that will be my first entry point if it does indeed start to fall. So I'll keep you posted on that. I might, no promises that I'll capture the entry, just because I am going to still continue to search around for other charts, but the order is sitting in there, so we'll see if it gets filled. Okay, this is Lulu, L-U-L-U, have an order at 42.30 to start to try to build a position that's based off of the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Like PETM, just have my orders out there at the Fib levels, and we'll see if they get hit or not. I will keep you updated. Going for some Twitter here at 40.80, and we'll just look. I mean, look how overextended this thing. This is pretty crazy. And if I can get filled at 80, that's going to imply that this candle is just that much more overextended. Let's see if it can get down there or not. You can see still have my other orders out there. Looks like I was being a little too greedy with wanting that 80 entry. You can see it's now bounced up quite a bit. So never mind. I see Tesla's running, so I'm going to go check that one out. And this is how it goes sometimes. 8 minutes out the door, and I was already up 245. Very quick action, and now it is 9:55. So, and I'm still sitting exactly where I was. So, the cycles of a trader, can come out the gate on fire, and then things have clearly cooled off. But I'm going to keep searching. Okay, I'm going for some shares here. 43.15 on GoPro. You can see right down here the 61 Fibonacci level, but we also have this moving average right here. So I'm kind of trying to split the difference between the two. Maybe it'll just bounce right off the 61 again. That value is 43.24. Where is it bouncing from right now? 43.25. So right there, look at that. Within 2 cents, bouncing. I'll keep my order down here, see if it can get back down there. So I will keep you updated. Okay, looking to short here at 225.35 on Tesla, just 100 shares. Let's see if it can get up there. Trying to short into this moving average. It's obviously in a downtrend move here. Still not filled. Well, it hit 235, my entry point, but I did not get any shares there, so give it one more try. Nope, I want out at this point. I'm going to rearrange my order. What is that? So not interested anymore. That was the candle I wanted. Now it's consolidated, so if it gets up there, I assume it's going to push higher. And as you can see, that's what's going on. So I will look for another entry point here. Okay, looking to short at 226.40. If it can break up through here, that's based off of this high over here. So I'm thinking there might be some resistance. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. Looking to pick up some shares here at 66.70. So I got those. Why am I doing that? Well, if we look over here at the 5 minute, this is exactly where this moving average is. So we'll see if that can provide any sort of bounce effect or not. So let's see if the bulls can fight back up now a little bit. And I'm just going to take my 7 cents there. I don't like the 2 minute. I don't like how it's basing out. You can see the blue line here, which is the moving average, is just kind of riding it and keeps pushing it down. So, I like the entry point as I showed on the 5 minute, but I'm not going to try to hold this for a longer period just because the 2 minute is kind of contradicting the 5 minute a little bit. So it certainly could still bounce, but I just don't feel comfortable with it. I had an opportunity to make a very quick, what was it, I guess $21. So, not like a huge score or anything, but for me, $21 for, just sitting there for less than a minute, I'll take that. So maybe I'll try to catch one more. It is 10:15 a.m., 45 minutes into the day. I'm just going to wrap up the video. Hopefully you learned something. If you want to learn how to use charts, Fibonacci's, everything that you saw in this video, level 2's over here. I do include all that in courses. So if you go to my claytrader.com, my site, and go to the training store, you can see all those courses, very fairly priced. Also have a live trading group where you can hang out with me in the live chat room. Also send out a weekly newsletter with my scans, all that good stuff. So do some research, check out the price, and you'll see I'm amongst the lowest priced out there. And it's a good little service. and surround yourself with some good experienced traders. So read some testimonials, and that way you can get a good third-party perspective. Thank you for watching, and everybody enjoy your 4th of Julys.